In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Namecheap support. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So Namecheap is a popular domain registrar and hosting provider, and sometimes you might run into a few issues that require their expert assistance. No worries though. Contacting Namecheap support is a straightforward process, and I'm here to walk you through it step by step. First off, you'll want to start by visiting Namecheap's website. You can do this easily by opening your web browser and typing in Namecheap into your preferred search engine. This should bring up Namecheap's official website as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on that link. Once you're on the Namecheap homepage, you'll see a menu bar at the top. On this page, look for the Help Center link. This is important because it's the hub for all resources Namecheap offers for support. Click on the Help Center and it will take you to a dedicated page for support-related topics. Now, once you're on the Help Center page, you'll find a button that says Need Help in the top right corner. Click on that button. It's your gateway to getting in touch with a representative who can assist you. After clicking on that, you'll see a prompt where you can type in your issue or question. It's a simple text box that asks, "What's your issue?" Take a moment to think about the specific problem you're facing and type it in. Be as detailed as you can. This will help the support team understand your concern better and give you a quicker resolution. Once you've typed your issue, don't forget to hit the Submit button. Just like that, your question or concern goes into their system, and it's time to wait for a response. Here's a little tip. While you're waiting, make sure to check your email inbox for any responses from Namecheap support. They might send you an update or a request for more information depending on the nature of your inquiry. If you're not getting a satisfactory response or need immediate assistance, you can also check for any live chat options. Look for a chat bubble icon usually found at the bottom right corner of the Help Center page. Clicking on that icon will connect you to a live chat agent who can assist you in real time. Another option is to visit their community forums, where users like you discuss various issues and solutions. Sometimes, you might find the answer to your question in the forums without even needing to contact support. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out through social media. Namecheap is quite active on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. You can send them a direct message or even tweet at them. Sometimes, public inquiries can get quicker responses. So, in summary, to contact Namecheap support, start by going to their website, navigate to the Help Center, click on Need Help, type out your issue, submit it, and either wait for an email reply, engage in live chat, or consult the community forums. Remember, the key to getting your issue resolved efficiently is providing as much detail as possible about your problem. Don't be shy about asking for help. Namecheap wants to make sure their customers are satisfied. After all, a well-supported customer is a happy customer. Thank you for sticking around. If you have any further questions or need additional help, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. And remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content just like this. Happy troubleshooting!